They fold up quite nicely, as you can see, which adds to their portability. They have this smooth, fluid head that I actually really enjoy using. What makes this tripod different than, say, your typical photo tripod head is the ability to pan quite smoothly here. If you tighten this, it provides some resistance, a little bit of friction, so you can do slower pans and it still provides a smooth result. The leveling mechanism on the column makes it so you're able to level the tripod head here without adjusting the legs of the tripod. I love this sliding quick release plate. It is adjustable here, so depending on the size of the lens you're using, you can balance the center of gravity and the head won't have a tendency to lean forward or backwards quite as much. The quick release plate also has this safety latch where you can tell it's locked into place, and then this thumb screw here prevents the plate from moving further. This latching mechanism will allow you to extend the legs further so you can get a much lower profile while using this tripod.
Now, the legs flip around like this, and each leg has 4 sections, and you can adjust them to any length. I always start at the bottom and work my way up. What's nice is you have the option to lock the legs in at 2 different angles, so you can have a narrow stance or a wide stance. Once standing, the tripod is about 5 feet tall when fully set up, and at its shortest, about 1.5 feet. So this is the BeFree Live head, and what makes it so special is that it's a fluid video head, so you can pan and tilt smoothly. And of course, you can lock the pan and tilt knobs separately right here. The sliding plate attachment is compatible with other Manfrotto quick release systems. And what's cool is that you've got some room to position the camera so you've got the right center of balance. The BeFree Live head is actually available for sale separately or as part of this tripod kit. The last thing is this center column, which is pretty unique. It has a top system to help you level your shot. See this leveling bubble? You can actually twist right here to adjust. There we go. This is really key for fast setups. A lot of tripods I've seen of this size do not have this, so this is amazing. On the other end, you've got this little hook, which gives you the ability to attach weight. A simple backpack or sandbag will do the trick. All right, we're ready for action. That was smooth.
First, you take the 3 aluminum telescoping legs and fold them down, and clip the legs at the desired angle. You have 2 options. Option 1 is what I like to call standard, and option 2 allows you to spread the tripod legs even further, which is good for better stability. Fully extended, the tripod reaches a height of 59.4 inches and can hold cameras weighing up to 8.8 pounds, which is good for camcorders, action cameras, cell phones, and DSLRs with almost any lens. Level the tripod head by loosening the grip located just above the red ring on the center column. Use the leveling bubble to help level the head, and tighten the grip once leveled. Now you're ready to shoot. To capture the most stable footage possible, I suggest not extending the tripod to its highest length. For additional support, be sure to use your free hand to hold the tripod. Also, you can hook a bag of weight to the bottom of the center column to give even more stability.